There are two long thin parallel sheets A and B, A with positive charge density, B with negative charge density, placed 10 cm apart in air. We are supposed to find magnitude and direction of electric field at a point 5 cm from both A and B. So total 10 cm, 5 cm from A and B means midpoint, which is B. Then 5 cm from A and 15 cm from B. So far away from B but close to A. So the point here 5 cm from A and 15 cm from B. The electric field intensity is a vector quantity. So you need to use vector addition. If two vectors are in same direction, we add their magnitude for the direction of any one of the two. If the two vectors are in opposite direction, subtract the magnitudes greater minus smaller and use the direction of the greater one as the final direction. If the vectors are in different directions, we have to use the parallelogram law of vector addition. So here we have to decide the direction of electric field intensity to check whether magnitudes to be added or subtracted. To find the direction of electric field intensity, we always use a positive test charge. So at P, if you use a positive test charge, that will be repelled by A, sheet A, plus will repel A, so will repel towards right. So electric field intensity at P due to sheet A is towards right. If you leave a positive test charge again, test charge is always positive, whether sheet is plus or minus. So the negative charge sheet also will attract that towards the right. That means electric field at P due to the negative sheet is also towards right. Since both are in the same direction, we are supposed to add the magnitudes and put the direction towards right I cap. Now if you take left side, second point, if you leave a test charge here, the positive charge will repel that towards the left. So electric field of A at Q is towards left. Same point, if you leave a positive test charge, the negative plate will attract it towards the right. So the electric field intensity at that point Q due to plate B is towards right. And it's very clear, since the charge density of B is greater than A, the magnitude of B is greater in both cases. So that's why this arrow mark is drawn bigger compared to the electric field of A. And this already I told you, you have to use vector addition and the conditions if same direction, opposite direction and different directions. Now for an infinite sheet, the electric field intensity is sigma by 2 epsilon 0. So this field is uniform, there is no dependence on the distance. So whether 15 centimeter, 5 centimeter, 10 centimeter, infinity, the value don't depend on the distance. So 5 centimeter, 15 centimeter is not important for us, the directions are important for us. Now if you take point P, these are the magnitudes of EA and EB, sigma 1 by 2 epsilon 0, which is sigma A and sigma B. Now for point P, both are to be added. Both are added magnitude towards right. Sigma A, sigma 1 is sigma A by 2 epsilon 0 plus sigma B by 2 epsilon 0 added up. And you can substitute the values. When you substitute, we don't use a negative and positive sign. This negative and positive sign is already used for finding the directions. That's an important point. So calculation 12 and 2 will go 6 minus 9. This minus 12 will come up as plus 12. So 3, 1, 0 will go 60, 10 raised to 2 by 8.85. That becomes 6.8 into 10 raised to 2 Newton per Coulomb towards right. Now for second point, the only difference is they are in opposite direction. So we have to subtract the magnitudes and put the direction of greater one. Greater one is still towards right I cap. So EB minus EA, the values to be subtracted, higher minus smaller, 8 minus 4, 4 and to get cut 2. So like before, 1 0 will come 20 by 8.85 into 10 raised to 2, again towards right I cap. So this is the only question what's asked. If you find a point on the right side of second sheet R. Now here also you can see the electric field of positive should be towards right or the negative should be towards left That is the greater magnitude. So you subtract the magnitudes to get the total. The direction is towards left because greater one is towards left. It's exactly same result as before. The only difference is the direction is just opposite. That's it. Thank you.